Good morning, guys, and welcome to Two Egg Farms. I wanted to bring you guys back and do a part two to how our Paw Paw trees, the replacement trees we got in the mail, are doing. As you can see, this is one of them that I'm standing right in front of. And if you go back and look at the original video, it had little just green sprouts on the stems. The leaves were not coming out. I've got it planted here in this pot. It's in a peat moss mixture with some perlite and some other things, but look how healthy it looks. So we planted three. We got three replacement bushes. Here's a smaller one. This one I was really worried about. I didn't think it was gonna make it, but it's looking lively this morning. So we keep them in a area next to a 600-gallon pond where we have some koi fish. And then here's the third one, and then I just use the water from the pond to water all the vegetation that's around the pond. But yeah, they're all looking really, really good. And I wanted to just give you guys an update. Probably next spring we will sit them out in the yard and go ahead and get them planted in the ground so they won't get root bound. But yeah, just wanted to bring you guys along and give you an update. Thank you for watching us here at Two Egg Farms. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. And remember to live the life you love.